This is the messy slick back tutorial, and as you can tell, I've just wet my hair a little bit because it's very important to damp your hair, because the first product that we're gonna use is our sea salt spray, and this time as a pre-styler. So all I have to do is to apply the sea salt spray on my hair. Alright, there we go. And the reason we're using a sea salt spray is to add a little bit of volume and texture, and we want to create this messy slick back look. And to be able to create a messy slick back look, we need a sea salt spray. And the reason that I like this sea salt spray is because it has jojoba oil in it, aloe vera gel, and an amazing coconut scent. The next step is that we're gonna use our fingers to create a little bit more of the messy texture. Alright, there we go. I use a texture comb. Obviously you can also use your fingers, but since I already have a texture comb, I'm gonna use it. So all I'm gonna do with this texture comb is to lift my hair a little bit up because we wanna get that slick back look. Alright, perfect. And as you can see, my hair is still a little bit messy around this area, whilst when it comes to this area, it is styled backwards. And that's perfect to get a messy slick back. The next product that we're gonna use is a clay pomade. Usually I also use a regular pomade, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna use the Slick Gorilla clay pomade. Scoop a little bit of the product, there we go. Emulsify in my hands. Make sure I also get it on my fingers so I can really grab my hair properly when I apply it to my hair. And now let me grab my hair whilst moving backwards. And I continue to do this, and the reason that I want to use my fingers whilst moving backwards is because I want to keep the shape of the messy texture, because that's why we use the sea salt spray as a pre-styler. And if you want, you can also create your own style by pushing a few of the hair strands downwards. For this tutorial, I won't do that. So let me give you a close look, and this is how the messy slick back hairstyle looks at the moment. And then I like to finalize this hairstyle by using the sea salt spray again, but this time as a post styler. Alright, there we go. And I like to spray on the back side of my hair because I really like to create a messy texture at the back of my slick back look. So let me spin around to show you the look. Alright, there we go. So let me know what kind of hair tutorial you would like to see next, and leave a thumbs up for the algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.